In critical cleanroom environments, every airflow pattern matters. Contamination, turbulence, or dead zones can compromise your entire process, and you can't fix what you can't see. Introducing the AP Series Ultrapure Cleanroom Foggers by Applied Physics, a complete lineup of liquid nitrogen fogging systems engineered for every cleanroom size, every validation need, and every industry standard. Starting with the AP30, the precision-focused model in the series. The AP30 generates approximately 6 to 7 cubic meters of ultrapure fog per minute, with a fog density of 533 milliliters per minute. It provides a visual distance of 15 to 20 feet and runs for up to 60 minutes on a single cycle, producing a total of 360 to 420 cubic meters of ultrapure fog per operation. Powered by 30 liters of liquid nitrogen and 3 liters of deionized water, it features dual 80mm fog outputs with independent velocity and volume control. Compact, portable, and built-in Electropolished 316L stainless steel. The AP30 is the go-to solution for ISO suites, barrier isolators, and small to mid-range cleanrooms. Next is the AP50, the high-performance mid-range model. The AP50 produces 10 to 12 cubic meters of ultrapure fog per minute at a fog density of 750 milliliters per minute, with a visual distance of 18 to 25 feet. With a 50-liter liquid nitrogen capacity and 5 liters of DI water, it delivers up to 75 minutes of continuous operation, generating 750 to 900 cubic meters of total fog volume per cycle. It features dual 80mm outputs with independent velocity and volume control, touchpad operation, wireless key fob control, and roller casters for complete facility mobility. The AP50 is purpose-built for mid to large ISO cleanrooms, requiring extended, uninterrupted smoke studies. And at the top of the lineup, the AP100, engineered for the largest and most demanding cleanroom environments. The AP100 uses 100 liters of liquid nitrogen and 10 liters of DI water across dual internal water heaters to generate a massive 15.5 cubic meters of ultrapure fog per minute at a fog density of 1,520 milliliters per minute. With a visual fog distance of 30 to 40 feet and a runtime of up to 90 minutes, it delivers approximately 1,162 cubic meters of total fog volume per cycle. It features 2 to 4 configurable fog hose outputs with multiple fog wands, full touchpad and wireless airflow control, and is built to CE mark standards, all on a rolling 316L Electropolished stainless steel chassis. Expand system capability with a complete range of professional fogger accessories engineered for precision deployment and operational flexibility. From wireless remote controls and airflow distribution kits, to fog curtain wands, splitters, adapters, extension systems, mounting hardware, transport cases, and maintenance solutions. Every accessory is designed to enhance coverage control, streamline integration, improve mobility, and optimize fog delivery performance across demanding environments. Whether you're validating a glove box or mapping airflow across an entire semiconductor fab, Applied Physics has got you covered. Visit appliedphysicsusa.com to compare models, request a quote, and take your cleanroom validation to the next level.